Cima del Redentore is a majestic mountain peak in Formia that offers breathtaking views of the Circeo coast, the Pontine Islands, and the Gulf of Naples. It is highly recommended to visit this remarkable site and experience its magnificence. In 1899, Pope Leo XIII decided to create 20 monuments dedicated to Jesus the Redeemer to be erected on mountain peaks through Europe, hiking in Italy.
Sobrang lamig! Nandito kami sa ulo.
Tuktok na kami hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan.
Nasa heaven na kami.
Out Italy. The statue was placed on the hill on the slope of Monte Altino. The monument was inaugurated in July 1901, but in 1907, the statue was struck by lightning and fell to the ground. It was rebuilt thanks to the perseverance of its believer. The Church of Hermitage St. Michael Arcangelo was dedicated. Welcome to St. Michael Church, dedicated to Archangel Michael, often depicted with a flaming sword. Michael is one of the great or four archangels who occupy the highest rank in the heavenly hierarchy of angelic beings. Dear friends and valuable subscriber, I'm excited to let you know that the complete video blog of this thrilling adventure is currently in the works and will be uploaded to my YouTube channel soon. I request you to kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel to stay updated and not miss out on any of my exciting journeys. Your support is crucial, and I am grateful for it. I couldn't have reached this far without you all. I hope my upcoming video will provide you with a perfect escape from your daily routine and you can relax while watching it. Once again, thank you for your continued support and stay tuned for the exciting video.